Uh, it's really with some relief that I can say this part, this phase of that operation is now over, and we now leave it. We now leave Mr. Kibuloy to the judiciary, to the judicial system, and siyempre, dahil nataman ng nangyayari na lahat ng kanyang karapatan, walang nasasagasaan sa karapatan niya, wala namang ibabaliwala sa kanyang kahilingan, kung ano man yun. But again, there is no special treatment. Although he's a very prominent person, we actually, hindi na, kung kahit na sila magsabi na gawin natin special treatment, hindi natin alam gawin yun eh. We don't know how what special treatment is. So we will treat him like any other rested person. And we respect his rights. Go through the process. The process will be transparent. Everyone who's involved will be accountable. And we will demonstrate once again to the world that our judicial system in the Philippines is active, is vibrant, and is working well.
Pastor po ay kakatapos pong mag-almusal at na-deliver po yung naibigay na po yung rasyon nila na pagkain. Ang pagkain po nila ngayon ay hard-boiled egg at saka corned beef po at kanin at kape po.
Ito po ay rason galing sa PNP.
Ration po yan, pare-pareho po sila. Normally po, nadi-deliver po yan ng mga alas 6 po. So, nakita ko po kanina, although yung iba po ay tulog pa po. But si Pastor po ay nakausap ko personally po. Kinamusta ko po yung sitwasyon niya. Ang sabi po niya ay okay naman po siya, although nag-a-adjust. Nakapagpahinga naman daw po siya. At may isa pa rin po akong inmate na babae na nakausap po doon po sa tatlo, na gising na rin po at nagbabasa po siya ng libro. At okay naman po, although expected naman po na nag-a-adjust sila, ibang environment po ito. At sabi naman niya, nag-a-adjust, siyempre bagong environment, but according to him, nakapagpahinga naman po siya. At medyo mainit lang daw, but meron naman pong electric fan doon. So we don't want to run the risk na ilipat po sila doon po sa QC po, tapos mag-bail po sila at wala na pong control po doon yung PNP. We just have to really harmonize po itong mga court orders po na ito.